Good morning students. Today we will do the chapter repeating pattern. Okay. So in this chapter we will discuss some pictures and after that we will talk that which picture will be repeated in next. Okay. Means you will have some pictures like we can see symbols, some type of symbols like this and this and this. So you will be asked that what type of symbol will be repeated here. Okay. So in this chapter we will discuss about this. So open your book and see the page number 52. So see the first picture carefully. Look at this picture. Yes students, look at this picture. So here you have given this. Okay, I will tell you in blackboard or whiteboard. Okay, first symbol is given like this. Second symbol is given like this. Third symbol is given like this. And fourth symbol is given like this. So what will be the next symbol? First, second like this, third like this and fourth like this. So next we will have like this. So next will be, this will be like this and like this. Okay, means which type of symbol is repeated? So first we have like this. Second, this dot is here. In third, this dot is here. And in fourth picture, it is here. So which picture will be repeated in next time? So we can see in first it is here, second it is here, in third it is here, fourth here. So the same, this and this will be repeated. Okay. So I hope you got these symbols. So what type of picture will be repeated next? Okay. Now look at the second. Now look at the second. Second we have given cones. So first cone is like this and second cone is like this. Second cone is like this and third cone is like this. Third cone is like this. Okay. So we have given this cone first, second, third. So which type of shape will be repeated in the next? Okay. What type of shape will be repeated in the next? So you can see in first picture, we have cone like this. Cone shape is face is upward. In second it is downward. In third it is upward. Means one time it is upward. Then in second it is downward. In third it is upward. Then in fourth, what will be the fourth? Obviously in fourth it will be downward. Okay. So in fourth it will be downward. Okay. So this will be the answer. If we have asked 2, then fourth will be downward and fifth will be upward. Okay. So we have like this. Look at the next question. I hope you got these symbols. Means what type of pattern will be repeated? So there is need of some awareness. Nothing is in this type of question. Only these are based on mental ability. Okay. So look at the next. First we have given like this. Second is given. Second is given like this. Okay. third is given like this. So we have given this type of shape, okay. So in first you can see these dots are here, in second these dots are here, and in fourth these dots are here. So in fifth, in fourth, the pattern first will be repeated, okay, and in fifth, the second pattern will be repeated. So you can see in this that in first picture we have two dots here, in second these dots are given here, and in third these dots are given upward, and in fourth the first pattern this is repeated here and the second one is repeated here, okay. So these patterns are repeated like this. Now look at the next. Next is, look at the fourth. So we have given cross like this and one is like this, okay. The second is like this and the third is like this. And the third one is like this. And the fourth is like this, okay. So we can see in first dot is here and it is upward, in second it is here, it is upward, in third it is here and this is here, and in this it is here and here. So the first pattern will be repeated same here, first pattern will be same repeated here, and now the second pattern same will be repeated here, okay. So we have to do these question like this, okay. Now look at the next question. We have given some arrows like this, okay. Second, third, and it is given like this one. So what type of pattern will be repeated? First is like this, second is like this. So first same pattern will be repeated here, and the second same pattern will be repeated here, okay. So students, do these questions related to mental ability, okay. Try to do. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask, okay. These are not much difficult, these need some awareness only, means you have to pay attention that which type of shape will be repeated in the next picture. You will be given some 3 or 4 or 2 pictures and you are asked to be for the next picture. So what type of pattern the same will be repeated. So you need to do that. Like here we have given these 4. So what type of pattern is repeated? We have given this type, this type, this type, this type. So nothing is left, like we can do here it is also given, here this type also given. So it means first same will be repeated again and then second will be repeated again, okay. So do this chapter from your book, okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you, students.